Honestly, I think we had the boat to beat in Key West. I think it was ours to lose, and you know, I heard a lot of speculation about whose fault it was.
That turn is the most dangerous turn in offshore racing.
I didn't see the boat crash. We were on the wall, which is where I normally stay in case there's an issue with the boat.
Oh, boat over. Boat over. Big wreck down there. It looked like the XINSURANCE boat, but I couldn't tell.
That's not something you walk away from. Normally, honestly, it's not something you survive.